1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wa pa. Sige. Next, B. Next, na. Next.
We're burning so badly at this point.
Next, ikaw. Talo nga. Wow! Wow, exercise siya. Russian twist. Twist. Ingin mo tiil, oy. Na, agtiil, agbuhok. Na, exercise man lang. Ah. Jump. Jump daw. Unsa man na? Ana. Sige, ikaw. Sige. Sige. 1. Iko na mo fit. Iya na. Kana. Kana. Very good. Katul. Kana ba? Ngani ba? Kana. Di, jump na di. Wa pa may jumping jack. Lolo. Ayaw, balitok. Sige, sunod ka na. Ang imong hands. Ka na. Wow. Wow. Ka na. Hapit na. Exercise ni Gal, lupigan man ko, oy.
We're moving into plank jacks.
Plank jacks.
Make sure you keep it core engaged.
Ana.
Smash this. You can do this.
Frog. Hinay. Makuan ka.
Time for another quick rest and we have the hundreds. Bring your legs off the ground.
Ana.
Keep your knees bent or straight.
Kapoy na ka?
Start pumping your legs up and down. This is super hard, so if you need to take a little break,
Sunduga, ah. Kana. Lakahod. Uy, lolo. Na, very good. Sige.
get ready for crunches.
Planches.
Squeeze those abs, guys. We are more than halfway through.
Kabalo ka? Sige. Sige. Tarihan na ba? Sige, sunduga. Ana. La. Sige. Paning kamot. Sige. Sige.
Rest up and left.
Oh, anak, kaya na nimo? Yes, kaya. Ina kaya. Go. Okay. Sige, go. Hapit na ka mahuman. Na, very good. Look, nice. Nag-down, plank na siya. Kana. Very good. Kana. Nice. Kapoy na ka?
No, ano.
O sige, exercise paghihapon.
Again, make sure your core is tight and your glutes are engaged and tight.
Plank. Kabalo ka na. Plank. Plank. Ang imong hands. Sundo ka. Hala kahod niya mo plank. Wow. Ana. Kahawd ni Megan, uy. Hawd man ni nga bata, uy.
Wow, we have a little break and heel touches is next. Touch your heel with your hands and this is really great for the obliques.
Kana. Hinda na ka? Kapoy na ka? Hindi, ana. Ana, kabuta. Kabuta, ana. 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 Uy. Katul. Bicycle crunch. Bicycle crunch.
Straight away we have bicycle crunch.
Bicycle.
Really pushing you guys here, but we are almost done with the workout, guys. Keep going.
Bicycle. Ikaw. Wala na, nangatol na. Kana, very good. Sige, katul.
Rest up and let reverse crunch with leg extension next. Again,
Sige
make
ka.
sure you're using
Ana.
muscles to move your hips up.
Kakabalo.
Now get ready for straight leg crunch. Do a couple of crunch pulses and do back
Sige.
crunch if you prefer that instead.
Lo. Kana. Wow, hinda niya up. Hinda niya up. Na. Alabi, last na.
Let's finish this, guys.
Ala, finish na ka. Sige. Wow, amazing. Yehey, finish na. Yehey.
That's the workout. I hope you
Yehey, finish na.
subscribe and turn on notifications.
Aha.